welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews and unboxings and all the good stuff. Today I'll be reviewing, I'm pretty sure this is a dress, but let me just open it up to see because I'm not sure. So yes, it is a long dress. On the front, this is the front. It's like scrunched, so it'll be like right here. And then the back is scrunched as well. So it's like that. It is empire waisted and, oh, actually maybe it's natural waist. I think it's natural waist. Because it falls a little bit lower. On the side, you can kind of see that it's like a little bit scrunched for some, unique detailing and stuff like that. Everything is really stretchy. Ooh, love that. So it's gonna be super comfortable. I like that the tie-dye is straight down the middle, so it kind of gives it a really cool effect. It's a maxi dress, so it goes all the way down. The hem looks like this on the bottom. Ooh, there are pockets. Yes, of course. And that's in the front. Yes, that is. So let me just go ahead and try it on so you can see the whole look of it. All right, so this is the top. It goes all the way up, so covers everything really nicely. Falls at the waistline. Ooh, I don't know if I like that this pocket is dark blue compared to this one. I was like, I almost want, if it's gonna be dark blue, I feel like this one should also be light so it matches, but maybe that's just me. I don't know, so they gotta be balanced, right? But anyways, it has pockets. I like that detailing down the middle. It's a little bit concealed because of the scrunch, but you can see it. I really like this pattern on here though. Here's on the side. In the back, everything is scrunchy, everything is stretchy, which is super nice. It's just a comfortable dress, but like if you want to dress up just a slightly more than average but like still keep it cash, this is the dress to go to. Like, I'm going to the picnic and I want to get like a tan, but like I also want to be covered, kind of thing. So, or it could be a really cute like cover up swimsuit and then putting all your stuff in there, your cell phones and stuff, keeping it safe, stuff like that. This is what the bottom looks like. Goes all the way down to the ankles. So it is a maxi dress. The back. I mean, yeah, just a really elegant, cute dress with the tie-dye pattern that you can choose different patterns as well. If you check out the link below for, to see all the colors that it comes in. But yeah, let me know, I don't know, what do you think about this dress? If you would like to purchase this dress, check out the link below and it will bring you directly to it. If you have more questions about it, let me know in the comments and I'll try to answer it as best as I can. If you want to see more product reviews, continue watching and please make sure to subscribe, like, comment. I would love to hear from you. I would love to hear your thoughts and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.